Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for your bi-weekly free game dev assets roundup. Of course, we got new free assets from Epic Games for Unreal Engine and beyond. We also have some other freebie assets we're going to cover first. The first one here we've got is Cinti. Cinti has released this one. What is interesting here is they are starting to move more and more into the world of Godot, but obviously Unreal Engine and Unity are here as well. This one is really simple. It is the Polygon Easter pack. It's basically what you see here. Again, the cool thing here is you get it completely free, but it's also available for a number of game edges. For example, here, you can see the various different Easter eggs, and then bows to dress them up, and then the basket to put them in, all available running in Godot, obviously available for Unity and Unreal Engine as well. Free is free. Of course, my timing on this is a little poor because this was released last week before Easter, but hey, maybe for next year you can use this one if you're making some kind of an Easter-oriented game. Next up, we have another freebie. This one is coming via GameDev TV. This is a collection of low polygon. There are 4 fully rigged, animation-ready woodland animals in this bundle. It is completely free, so you see the details of it available down here. So Bloom and Burrow brings you the beloved cast of stylized woodland creatures: stag, fox, hare, and squirrel, all fully rigged, animation-ready, and scrubbed for spring. So if you want to go ahead and download them, they are available here. You can actually download the raw Blender files if you wish to do so. So you can modify them, work with them from there. The license is also available down here. So if you want details of the license, it's under their general asset license, which I think is actually pretty liberal in what it lets you do. You just can't resell them, that kind of thing. And then, of course, Unity, we have our publisher of the week. Now, the timing for this always kind of sucks compared to when the Unreal Engine free asset giveaways are, because normally you only have a couple of days left when this happens. So, the publisher of the week this week is this guy. It's Swish Whoosh. Swish Whoosh. And they have the sci-fi weapons bullet hell sound effects pack. So if you're making a bullet hell game, you can get a ton of free audio there. Use the code swish swoosh at checkout. Again, it is currently April the 7th, and this is only available until the 9th. So you only have a little bit of time if you got this video right away when I published it. So you just go ahead, you can get it, add it to your pack. And then it redeems on the asset store. So at the checkout, you just put the code in, it'll knock the price down to 0, and you are good to go. And then, by the way, if you are a Unity developer, you really want to know about this one. I didn't do a video on it, and I kind of regret that now, because this is actually a shockingly amazing Humble Bundle. So there is this bundle going on right now. It's the Mega 15, and I didn't really realize what the 15 is, because it's their 15th anniversary sale over at Humble, but this is actually $15. So there's only a single tier here, but you're getting 39 items in there. Now, some of them suck, but some of them are really good. So you get, like, full-blown assets like this Monsters pack or this Village pack, or utilities like Mesh to Terrain, Forest Lake packs, you have some characters. It is a very mixed bag of stuff here, but more or less it boils down to, if there is a single asset here for 15 bucks, like if you want this low poly simple apocalypse pack, for example, you're paying, basically 10% of the MSRP, and then you're getting all the rest of this stuff for free. It's actually a very impressively priced bundle. Again, redeems on the Unity Asset Store. If you're interested, there will be the link down below. So if you want to go ahead and check that one out, using my link to buy it, by the way, does help support the channel, and I appreciate you very much if you do. So now we are back to the giveaway. Every other week, so every 2 weeks, Epic Games gives away a number of assets on the Fab store. You will notice down here, for example, this one is available for Unreal Engine, Unity, but also Blender, and raw FBX as well. So you can get this into a number of different engines. So even if you are not an Unreal Engine user, you want to be hoarding these. By the way, even if it is for Unreal Engine only, like this asset right here, so you can see the asset in action over here, well, here it is exported into Godot. So you can get these assets out into other engines. This one, I could have just loaded the Blender version out, but this was exported from the Unreal Engine project file. So you get an idea of exactly what you're doing with here. In this particular case, I used Unreal to Godot, but again, I really didn't have to because, quite frankly, this does have Blender and FBX versions as well. So if you're looking for, this is probably my favorite asset in the pack. It's very large, comprehensive castle fantasy dungeon type setups. Got a number of different demos here. So here is another dungeon lair. Now, it's interesting that they call these all dungeon layers, but they're all outside. So I think it's more of like a castle pack for the most part, but some of this is pure subterranean as well. Here is a hall level, for example. So again, it's a very airy dungeon with a lot of outdoor spaces, but really nice work here. Again, my favorite asset in the pack, I think. Anyway, so you get an idea. Quite a few different demos here showcasing it here. Let's show the boss room, and then we're going to move on from this pack. So this one is the fantastic dungeon pack, and we still have outside windows. So this is a dungeon that is very much above ground, but here is the boss room for it. Again, I view this more as, you know, a modular, just fantasy pack in general. Quite a bit of capabilities. It's cool. It's a cool asset. I would highly recommend picking it up. And once again, you saw available straight out for FBX Blender as well. Makes this pretty much universal for any game engine you may consider using it in. Next up, we have this fellow over here. This is the Forest of Spikes. Let's go ahead and check that demo out right there. And let's go into view mode over here. So if you want, so basically it's brambles or thorn bushes kind of thing. If you're working with, you know, a marsh or a swamp environment, everyone's favorite game levels after water environments are no doubt the swamps, right? So this is spiky thorn swamp stuff, which is pretty cool. And then the last one is actually an engine plugin. It's called NexxNote, and this one actually could be a tie for my favorite because it's pretty freaking cool, to be honest. So you can see here, I have the plugin installed and loaded, and you can notice at the top here, I have this sketch. And then what I can do is I can go ahead and make any kind of image I want. So for example, here, let's draw this hand. Ooh, oh, sorry, I forgot. There we go. This hand pointing at our level. And so you want to circle things over here. You want to increase the size of that. You can do there. You want to change the color. You can do it there. Or you can do preset colors over here and then create it accordingly. Unfortunately, you have to change the size after the fact, which is a little frustrating, but this is giving you the ability to do annotations and notes for your blueprints. What do you mean by notes? Oh, well, this one. So here, I can drop a note in here, and then I can do things like, Bob Dole was here. Yes. And we can do notes directly in. Now, these are actually embedded in your blueprints. You're going to notice up here, it's actually asking you to recompile your blueprint because this is considered a change to it. But this gives you the ability to, using the standard blueprint system and this enabled plugin, to go ahead and do annotations and notes and diagrams and drawings, etc. on top. That is very cool, in my opinion. So that is the extent of this week's assets. So again, quick overview. You do have 2 weeks to pick these up, by the way. So these are going to run until April the 21st. Once you have bought them, air quotes, the price will show as being $0-ish. Doesn't matter. Pick the pro version, pick the personal version. It really doesn't make a difference because it's Epic Games that are picking it up. Should show $0. Add to cart, check out, and buy it. So again, we have the fantastic dungeon pack. This is huge for creating a fantasy environment, 650 assets in this one. And again, very cool. This is available for Unreal Engine and Unity, but also Blender and FBX. And as you saw, there are exporters out. So if it's not available for all those, such as this one, so this is Unreal Engine only, well, you can use something like the plugin. We got, oh, I gotta get rid of my masterpiece here. We do have things like this plugin, etc. I do have guides down below showing you how you can get individual assets or entire scenes out of Unreal Engine and into Unity or into Godot or into Blender or however you wish to do it. So do check those guides out if you are interested. So that's the second one, the Forest of Spikes. Again, Unreal Engine only in this case. And as you can see, huge difference, huge savings if you're a professional versus personal licensing here. Anyways, doesn't matter. Pick whichever one you want. And then the final one we have is NexxNote. This one is, again, an engine plugin. It enables you to do annotations and notes, etc. On top of your blueprints. Really cool in that regard. Obviously, blueprints, Unreal Engine only. But this is one of the neater ones, I think. And kind of a useful thing. If you were a note taker or a doodler, this one you're probably going to love if you are using Unreal Engine for blueprints. Although, straight up, I like this asset the best. I think it's pretty cool. It also seems very familiar, so I don't know if we've seen this in a previous bundle or a sale of some kind, because I have a feeling I've seen this before, but I'm not 100% certain. The studio title Flask isn't jumping out at me, so possibly not, but if it has been, do let me know in the comments down below. And once again, quick reminder, we do have a couple of other freebies going on as well. The Easter pack from Cinti, then we have the Animal pack from GameDev TV, And then, of course, we have the Sci-Fi Weapons Bullet Hell Sound Pack over on the Unity Asset Store. That one is only going to be available for like 2 more days, though. And again, quick reminder, there is this Asset Store Mega 15. If you are a Unity developer, this is one of the best bundles I have seen on Humble in quite a while. All right, that's it. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.